Hey there kids, ready to dive into something super cool? Today I'm going to tell you all about augmented reality. It's like magic, but with technology. First, let's break it down. Augmented reality, or AR for short, is when we use special apps to see digital images on top of the real world. Imagine seeing a dancing dinosaur right in your living room. Awesome, right? So, how does it work? Well, you need a device like a smartphone or a tablet. You just point your camera at something and boom, the app adds fun stuff to your screen. It's like your room turns into a video game. Let's see some cool things AR can do. You can try on clothes without going to the shop, or even see what you'd look like with funny hats and glasses. You can also explore the stars and planets right from your backyard. It makes learning so much fun. And guess what? Some of your favorite games use AR too. Ever heard of Pokemon Go? You walk around, catch Pokemon, and see them right in front of you. It's like they're really there. But remember, always ask an adult before downloading apps, and don't forget to take breaks from the screen. You don't want to miss out on the real-world fun, so there you have it. Augmented reality lets you mix the real world with digital fun. It's like having a magical power right in your hands. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep having fun. Thanks for watching, kids. See you in the next adventure.